Hello and welcome back. This is Amanda from hookemcreations, and today we are doing another granny square. That's right. Now today we are doing the traditional granny square. This is the one that everyone and their grandma knows by heart. If you are a crocheter, this is the one that everyone starts with. But last time I started with the double crochet granny square. In the last video, this is the one that we made in the last video when I demonstrated a granny square. This is another one that everyone knows and their grandma knows. But this one, this is the traditional. This is the creme de la creme. This is it. So let's get started. Today I am going to be using a 5mm crochet hook with a purple heart handle made by my husband. If you like to see more crochet hooks like this, be sure to check out our shop at hookemcreations.com. Today I am going to start off with a magic circle. If you need reviews on any of the stitches that I am showing today, be sure to check out my previous videos where I went over all the basics of how to do magic circles, double crochets, single crochets, all of them. So let's get started. So right now I am going to chain 4. And then I'm going to do 3 double crochet, same as the last video, pretty similar start. And chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, chain 2, 2 double crochet because the chain 2 in the beginning counts as a double crochet. And then I'm going to slip stitch and tighten everything up here. Just like so. Alright, now we get to do the fun stuff. Please remember, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I chain 2 for my double crochets because I tend to chain loosely. My tension usually is pretty loose on the chain stitches. If your chain stitches are not loose, they tend to be rather tight, please chain 3. It's always crocheter's choice at that point, where you can choose if you want to chain 3 or chain 2 for each of your for like your double crochets. For me, treble crochets, I chain 3, some chain 4. So please crochet what is what you think works for you. Okay, so I chain 2. I'm going to go ahead and in this chain 2 opening, I'm going to go ahead and double crochet 2 times. And then I'm going to do a chain 2, double crochet 3 times in that same loop, that same opening, and there's your first corner. From here, you're not going to crochet in any of these double crochets that you made in the previous row. Instead, we are going to chain 2, okay, double crochet in that chain 2 opening 3 times, chain 2, 3 double crochet in that same opening, chain 2 because you're not crocheting in these double crochets. Instead, you're going to double crochet in the next opening, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. chain 2, and 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then I'm going to go ahead and chain 1 and slip stitch. Okay, and that's the second row of the traditional granny square. You're doing a great job if you are following along. From here you're going to chain 4. We're going to do the third row. Chain 4, because remember, we are not crocheting in any of these double crochets. Okay, you go into the opening. So we're going to chain, so I chained 4, double crochet 3 times in that corner, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. And chain 2, 3 double crochet in the next opening, chain 2, and in the corner you are going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. Chain 2, middle space opening, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and chain 2, 3 double crochet in the corner. Chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and same thing we've been doing in the last 3 corners. You're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. Chain 2. Now here I am doing 2 double crochet and then a slip stitch into that chain 4 that we previously made, making it a nice looking chain 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut it off here. You can keep going if you please, but this is all as far as I'm going today. And voila, you just made a granny square, a traditional granny square. This is the granny square you see on cardigans, on purses and bags, and I've seen pants made from this granny square. You can do different colors. You can do one color for the middle, another color for the second row, and then a completely different color for the third row. I've seen so many different variations of this granny square, specifically for as far as color motifs and what you can make out of it. The possibilities are endless with these granny squares, and I think because it's so simple, it is tricky, like mind-wise, it can be tricky. Some people can't, like, there are some people who cannot get the granny square, and that's okay. If you can't get it right away, just keep practicing. It takes time, it takes work. And yeah, just keep practicing and rewatch this video over and over if you need to go over something again. If you like these videos and want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell and get notified of when our next video comes out. Typically we have a video that comes out every week, every Thursday. If you want to help contribute to these videos, buy us some coffee. The link is in the description below. And until next time, happy crafting!